What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have just kind of like a little vlog style video. It's been crazy the last few weeks, so we haven't put any content out and we're really sorry, but me and Emma are here. We're driving my new truck, which I don't even know if I showed the channel yet just because a lot's been going on. But right now, if you look outside, you can see the nasty snow, which we don't like. That means we put the Corvette away yesterday for a long winter's nap. So we got a few things to do. We're gonna run over, and I left the keys in it by accident, so we're gonna go grab those. And then while we're there, I'm gonna spend 2 or 3 minutes and unscrew one of the taillights, and actually 2 of the taillights, and check them out, because we noticed that the driver's side lights weren't doing anything on the rear. I don't know if that was electrical because of the snow or what it was that made me a little bit nervous. So we're gonna run over there and check that out, and I might end up having to buy some new taillights, which I want obviously, but couldn't justify buying yet, so we'll see what ends up happening. But we're gonna head over and do that real quick, and we'll catch you guys at the storage unit. So we might actually end up doing it today. I'm gonna talk to Emma, but I didn't get a chance to detail or clean this car at all. I woke up and there was snow on it. We shoved it in the unit, and I might talk to Emma and see if we can take it and go detail it, because I hate to put something away dirty, especially when it's gonna sit for months. So we'll see. All right, so we decided to go take the Corvette because there's some moisture on the road, but there is no snow right now. So we're gonna take the Corvette down and give her a nice wash because she deserves it. So one thing I didn't show you guys is the other day I pulled the exhaust off the Corvette. I'm trying to sell the muffler because it's a Borla and it's really quiet. So right now I have it straight piped with some resonators dumping right by the bumper. It's not the best setup, but we're gonna fix it later. So you actually can't even see them underneath, but we're gonna get you guys a nice cold start of a straight pipe Corvette with resonators. So I got this camera because it's the GoPro Max, which means it shoots 360, and I still have never shot 360 with it. So we're gonna try and do 360 through the car wash and see how it turns out, and there might not be any footage of the car wash, we'll see. We're gonna detail it real quick, and my GoPro is at 3%, so we're just gonna get it done, and yeah. See you guys in just a second. Well, about 1,000 times cleaner. I don't know if you can even hear me. I can hear. Okay. We're gonna unplug this one real quick. And we know it was working, and we're gonna plug into this one and see if it works, and see if by any chance both of our taillights burned out at the same time. Alright, Emma, would you go hold the accessory down button for, are the keys right here. Hold the bottom of the start button down for like 10 seconds until everything comes on. Alright, can you push the brake? Huh. Turn the left blinker on. That sucks. Alright, you can kill it. Well, I must have a short somewhere because my taillights aren't coming on, and this is the other taillight, so that sucks. So I put the lights back in, and for some reason when I shut the door, they're all working now. I have no idea why. There's a short somewhere in the wiring harness. I don't know. I'll find it, but for now, they're all working, so we're just gonna take it as a win. But yeah, so the stupid reason I can't drive my Corvette for a few months is because of that white crap over there. So, unfortunately, the Corvette is going into winter hibernation until January, and in January we are moving to Florida. So, we're taking the Corvette and we'll be able to drive it all year round. Yeah,
is that the big reveal?
Yeah, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated.